Welcome back to MS English AI, where English isn't just learned, it's lived. Today, you and I are stepping right into a real-life moment. No classroom, no textbook, just two people talking, naturally, the way English is truly spoken every day. Ina, are you ready for today's conversation?
Of course, Paul. What are we practicing today?
Today, we're going inside a restaurant, just you and me, ordering food, asking questions, making little mistakes, fixing them, sounding more natural, everything a beginner needs to feel confident.
Oh, nice. Ordering food is something everybody needs to learn.
Exactly. And today, we're making it simple, smooth, and clear. All right, imagine this. You and I walk into a cozy American restaurant. Warm lights, soft music, the smell of fresh bread. A waiter walks up to us and says,
Hi, folks. Welcome in. Table for two, right?
"Perfect." And I say, "Yes, please. A table for two." Then we sit down, the waiter hands us menus, and we start talking. Ina, what's the first thing you say?
I look at the menu and say, wow, everything looks delicious. I don't even know what to pick.
And I laugh a little and say, "Same here, but I think I'm in the mood for something warm. Maybe pasta."
Then I tease you. Paul, you always choose pasta. Do you ever try new things?
And I defend myself. Hey, good pasta is good pasta. Then the waiter comes back and says,
Are you guys ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
and I reply politely, "I think we're ready. Ina, you want to go first?"
Sure. I look at the waiter and say, Hi, I'd like the grilled chicken salad, please. And could I get the dressing on the side?
And the waiter nods and says, "Absolutely. Anything to drink?"
Yes, just water with lemon, please.
And then it's my turn. I say, "Hi, can I have the creamy Alfredo pasta? And, could you make it a little spicy?"
And the waiter smiles. You got it. Anything to drink?
"Yes, an iced tea, please."
Then the waiter leaves and we start talking again. I say, Paul, I like how you always stay polite when ordering.
And I laugh. Well, food tastes better when you're nice.
True, but I still think you should try something new next time.
Okay. Maybe next time you pick my order.
Deal.
Then our food arrives, and the waiter says, "All right, grilled chicken salad for you and Alfredo pasta for you. Enjoy your meal."
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mine too. But Paul, this dressing is really strong.
Then just add a little. You don't have to use all of it.
True. Sometimes I forget things can be adjusted.
That's the good part about American restaurants. You can ask for anything your way.
Yeah, like no ice, more sauce, extra napkins.
Exactly. And it's totally normal.
After eating for a bit, I say, I think I'm getting full.
Already? Ina, Vic just started.
What? The salad is huge.
And I smile and say, "Then take it home. Americans love leftovers."
Oh yeah, the famous to-go box.
Exactly.
Then the waiter returns. How's everything tasting? You guys doing okay?
We smile and say, "Everything's great, thank you."
And once we're done, I say, I'm ready for the check.
And I raise my hand slightly and say, "Excuse me, can we have the check when you get a chance?"
And the waiter says, Of course. I'll bring it right out.
Then we look at the bill together and I joke, "Ina, you ordered the most expensive salad in the universe."
Stop. It was healthy.
Healthy and expensive.
Fine. Next time you pay.
Deal.
And then we both laugh as we walk out of the restaurant saying, See you next time.
And that is how real English feels. Simple, natural, friendly. And now you can do the same at any restaurant in the world.
Thank you for practicing with us today, Paul.
And remember, the more you listen, the more confident you become.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep speaking English every day.